it's bad, but I can't help myself. When I feel sad, I escape from my sense.
Let's be real, nobody gets a cat because they love cleaning litter boxes. Scooping every day, the mess, the smell, it gets old fast. That's why I have been testing the MOVA Self-Cleaning Litter Box LR1 Prime, a box that not only cleans itself but also tracks your cat's health and cleans odors before they spread. Well, before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
The only way to keep it at a distance, that's when I listen. Music is the reason why I stay. Stay, stay. A cheering melody will fix a melancholic heart. The music is the reason. The music is the reason why I stay.
A good litter box starts with space, and MOVA delivers. The semi-open dome gives cats the room they need to stretch, turn, dig, and exit without friction. No lid to crouch under, no corners to squeeze into. Suitable for cats from 3.3 to 22 pounds, the structure works for both small breeds and large ones that need extra space. The open top design doesn't just make it more comfortable, it also makes the litter area easier to check and clean. While adhered waste can be spotted quickly and wiped down without guesswork.
Like someone's listening.
Okay, more often I've noticed that smell control is the weakest link in automatic boxes. But not here. Inside MOVA, an auto deodorant spray activates after each use. It targets harmful gases like ammonia and sulfur dioxide, breaking them down at the source. This keeps the air cleaner around the unit without relying on artificial fragrance or masking agents. Backing this up is MOVA's air-purifying fresh air system, built directly into the waste bin. This internal system circulates air through an activated carbon filter, absorbing odors before they escape and significantly reducing dust in the process. Together, the spray and fresh air system form a two-stage deodorizing barrier that's chemical-free, scent-free, and highly effective at keeping the area around the box fresh. Manual maintenance is another area where MOVA streamlines the process. The litter box disassembles easily with one hand, and its interior is coated with a non-stick material that prevents waste buildup. For disposal, a drawstring trash bag lines the waste bin. Just pull, tie, and discard. It's a one-step removal that takes seconds. The self-cleaning cycle includes support for soft tool clumping, which helps reduce smearing or missed waste, a common issue in other auto cleaners. The entire process keeps the unit cleaner for longer and limits the amount of contact needed during upkeep.
Will fix a melancholic heart.
Where MOVA really stands out is in how it handles health monitoring. We can create cat profiles to track each cat's weight and toilet habits. That data syncs to the MOVAhome app, which helps identify early signs of health problems like digestive issues, urinary conditions, or unusual behavior. Multi-cat households are supported with separate logs for each cat. No overlap, no confusion. With daily tracking done automatically, there is no need for guesswork or extra manual observation. The information is organized, visual, and accessible at a glance.
The fence, that's when I need tunes to keep.
The internal design supports long gaps between maintenance. The 11-liter waste bin can go up to 14 days without needing to be emptied, ideal for those who travel or have multiple cats. And the litter tray holds 8 liters of material. This system is built to scale. Whether it's a single cat apartment or a home with multiple cats, the intervals between cleanups remain comfortably spaced. Less effort, less interruption, and fewer chances for odor or overflow.
The music is the reason why I stay.
If scooping, smell, and uncertainty are part of the daily routine, MOVA changes the equation. With built in automation, odor control, and health tracking, this is more than just a litter box. It cleans itself, it monitors health, and it handles the unpleasant parts without complaint.
That's when I listen. I know it's bad that I can't help myself. When I get mad, I set fire to the hell. The only way to keep it out of this.